Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make the very delicious creamy peanut butter soup. For the recipe we need vegetable stock, so we are going to prepare that first. For that we need 5 to 6 garlic cloves. You have to crush them like this. Next let us take a small piece of ginger. Along with ginger and garlic you can use any kind of vegetables. You can even use the vegetable peels instead of the whole vegetable. So here I have taken 1 onion, few beans around 7, next let us chop a medium sized carrot, next a piece of ashgar. You have to cut it into smaller pieces. You can use all the vegetables along with the skin. Finally I am taking 1 potato. Take a pan, add 1 liter of water into it. To this add 1 bay leaf and all the other vegetables which we have chopped. To this add few coriander along with the stem. Next let us add around 5 cloves and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Bring this to a boil. Once this starts boiling, close this and cook this in medium flame for about 25 to 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes, the essence of all the vegetables got mixed up with the water. Now let us filter it. We are not going to use the vegetables here, so if you don't want to waste them, you can prepare cutlets or you can use them for any other curries. The vegetable stock can be stored in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Or you can store it in an ice tray and freeze it. That way you can store this for a month. Now take a pan, pour some olive oil in it. To this add 1 bay leaf and 1 chopped onion. Now give this a nice saute. The onions has to turn translucent. Once onions are done, add 3 chopped garlic cloves. Next is 1 medium sized chopped carrot and 1 big chopped tomato. To this add some salt and a teaspoon of curry masala. Now saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next is a teaspoon of pepper powder. Next let us add few chopped coriander leaves into this. To this we are going to add peanut butter. I am going to use Pintola peanut butter for this. Pintola peanut butter is an organic certified roasted peanut butter with only one ingredient, that is the peanut. It is unsweetened, unsalted with no preservatives, stabilizers and hydrogenated oil. For the recipe we are going to use half a cup of peanut butter. This is gluten free, soy free, low in aflatoxin and more importantly it is vegan and rich in protein and fiber. After sauteing this for 2 to 3 minutes, add the vegetable stock. You have to add it little by little and give this a nice mix. You can add the whole vegetable stock that we have prepared. Bring this to a boil and let this boil for about 5 minutes. Correct the salt now, add the required amount of salt and the required amount of pepper powder. Let us close this and cook for another 5 minutes. The soup will be creamy and this is the consistency. If you want this to be even more thin, you can add some vegetable stock or some water. For the recipe I have used Pintola peanut butter. If you want to buy one, the link is there in the description box. Please click it. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.